Students, today I'm gonna tell you an interesting story. This story is about a young girl named Precious Ramotswy who wants to be a detective. Precious and her friend Tepwa are walking home from school. Tepwa tells Precious about a mystery at school. Okay, so let's see what was the mystery. Stolen cake. There must be a thief at school, said Tepwa, looking over her shoulder in case anybody heard what she had to say. I bought a piece of cake to school with me this morning. I left it in my bag in the corridor outside the classroom. She paused before she went on. I was really looking forward to eating it at break time. Somebody took my cake, Tepwa complained. I had wrapped it in a small piece of paper. Well, it was gone. And I found the paper laying on the floor. Precious frowned. Gone? Eaten up, said Tepwa. There were crumbs on the floor and little bits of icing. I picked them up and tasted them. I could tell that they came from my cake. Did you tell the teacher? Asked Precious. Her friend sighed. Yes, she said, but I don't think she believed me. She said, Are you sure you didn't forget that you ate it? She said that this sometimes happened. People ate a piece of cake and then forgot that they had done so. Precious gazed at Tepwa. Was she the sort of person to eat a piece of cake and then forget all about it? She did not think so. It was stolen, said Tepwa. That's what happened. There's a thief in the school. Who do you think it is? I don't know, said Precious. She found it hard to imagine any member of their class doing something like that. Everybody seemed so honest. When Tepwa's cake goes missing, Precious decided to find the thief. She bakes a cake and leaves it next to some glue on a shelf outside the classroom. Trick cake. It happened suddenly. One moment everything was quiet, and the next there came a great squealing sound from outside. The squealing became louder and was soon a sort of howling sound, rather like the siren of a fire engine. What on earth is going on? Asked the teacher. Open the door, Seppo, and see what's happening. What was happening was that two monkeys were dancing up and down alongside the shelf. Their hands stuck firmly in the mixture of glue and cake. Struggle as they might to free themselves, they were truly and completely stuck to the cake. See, shouted Precious in triumph. There are thieves, Ma, see there. Students, read the story and answer the following question. Number 1. Why did Precious put glue on the shelf? Why did the monkeys start to squeal? Number 3. What does the other say the monkey sounded like? Number 4. Was Precious pleased that her idea worked?